So today in this video I'm going to talk about the three-phase AC system. So let's talk about it without wasting much time. So the three-phase electricity is a type of electrical power distribution system that uses the three alternating currents to transmit the electrical power to the consumers. So the three-phase AC system is commonly used in industrial and commercial applications as well as in power generation and transmission where using the three-phase AC system. The three-phase electricity that uses three alternating currents to transmit the electrical power, and it has a higher power density than the single-phase AC system. If we'll talk about the advantages of using the three-phase electricity, then that will be higher range of capacity than the single-phase AC system. And by using the three-phase electricity, we can be benefited the uninterrupted power supply at our home. What are the disadvantages of using the three-phase AC system? It has higher installation cost, and the diagram, that is the circuit diagram of three-phase AC system, that is more complicated than single-phase AC system, and also it has a higher maintenance cost. So these are the advantages and the disadvantages of using the three-phase AC system.